Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today, we are crafting more doll foods for Christmas. And in this video, we show you how to make a quick and easy fruitcake. Bring back a touch of nostalgia with this simple DIY. If you enjoy our video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to support our crafty content. Our Dolls festive food collection is getting bigger by the day, so let's get making. To make the cake, start with cheap kitchen sponges. We are following my Froggy Stuff's classic tutorial, only upsizing so the scale will fit our American Girl dolls. Cut your sponge into rectangles about 6.5 centimeters long by 4 centimeters wide. We stacked 2 sponge rectangles together to get the right thickness. Then trimmed around the top edges of the sponge to give it some shape. Next, coat all the sponge surface with liquid glue so it won't be as absorbent. When the glue dries, the sponge will be nice and firm so we can paint. Use a dark chocolate brown colour to paint the whole cake, ensuring you push the bristles of your paintbrush into the holes of the sponge. Then set it aside to dry. For the fruit, we will use these red and orange seed beads to fill the larger holes in the sponge, securing them in place with a drop of liquid glue. We will switch to these tinier sequin beads to fill the smaller holes in the sponge, placing them randomly around the top and sides of our cake. At this point, your fruit cake craft is complete. But we went further and made slices from scraps of sponge. This way we can serve them to our dolls as a Christmas treat. To step up the cake and slices, we are going to use hairspray and baby powder to mimic icing sugar. Apply the hairspray to the top of the cake to make it tacky. Then dust over the baby powder in a sieve, going back and forth to get good coverage. When you are happy with the consistency, gently tap off any excess baby powder from the cake. To decorate the cake, we are going to use both this hessian and green ribbon. Here, we folded over the top third of the hessian ribbon, then adhered it around the bottom half of the cake. Over this, we glued the thinner green ribbon, tying it in a bow at the front of the cake. This simple ribbon decoration gives our cake a rustic old-world feel. Pop the cake and slices on some AG dishware and you're good to serve the dolls. Have fun transforming a sponge into this classic Christmas fruitcake. Come back tomorrow to see us finish off our dolls' festive feast. Thanks for watching!